Hello guys, welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. T-Boss still hiding her baby's face, reason revealed. Baby Naija 2017 star T-Boss is still hiding her baby's face as seen in pictures she shared on her social media page, which she took with the baby last Christmas. She captioned, "Taking pictures with children is an absolute struggle. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. To get just a single nice clear photo, you better be ready to take 100 or more pictures. And if you're wearing makeup, oh well, better know wear any next time." From hiding and denying that she was pregnant to now keeping the face of the baby away from the public, T-Boss feels the world is not ready to see what her baby's face looks like. Perhaps this might be her way of keeping the public from knowing who the child father is. Since her face is hidden, no one will be able to investigate a resemblance to any of the rumored fathers. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Naija News and Entertainment, and hit the bell button when a new story drops.